This is the Hootsuite implementation for Alki Surfshop by me, Terry Nakamura. For the purposes of this class, the Hootsuite dashboard was built to serve Alki Surfshop, small beach store in West Seattle. Alki Surfshop is in a unique location to share content like SPF 30, the 30th anniversary of Sub Pop Records, which happened across the street from the store. To make best use of the dashboard, 3 tabs are set up to monitor various aspects of the 3 channels. The first provides an overview of all 3 content streams, including Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. This is great for a bird's eye view, showing what has been posted and where across all 3 channels. Twitter content is scheduled outside of Hootsuite via Deliver It and Buffer, but all content, regardless of source, shows up on the dashboard. The Facebook tab also includes a My Post column for Instagram. Instagram on Hootsuite doesn't offer the same options to oversee activity on the tabs. Instagram is sometimes cross-posted to Facebook. On Hootsuite, we can see at a glance when it hasn't been. The 2 audiences are unique, and a cross-post is usually rewritten for the Facebook audience. The third tab includes Twitter mentions, My Tweets, New Followers, Retweets, Likes, and a search stream for Alki Beach, Alki Surfshop, and West Seattle. It allows us to peer into what's happening in and around the community where the store is located. Hootsuite taught us that we can learn about customers and proactively track brand sentiment. For Alki, the greatest benefit of using Hootsuite has been the ability to view activity and control content across multiple social channels. Hootsuite analytics are useful. They let us take the pulse of a channel at a glance. For example, in the case of Facebook, we could see a small uptick in posts and fans and a fairly large jump in engagement. Hootsuite Analytics provides data on posts, fans, engagement, and clicks, and a fever graph shows posting activity. We've seen growth in fans, reactions, comments, and shares. When we post, we see growth and increased activity. That tells us the audience is there. We just need to post content. It doesn't even need to be brilliant content. On Instagram, we learned we have greater traction on beach photos than community outreach, products, or partner shares. Hootsuite IG reporting shows posts, followers, engagement, and views, as well as activity. Hootsuite doesn't show profile visits, website clicks, audience demographics, or location, but you can find that information in the Instagram app. Something Hootsuite does include is sentiment analysis. Most of Alki's IG followers are in Seattle. Based on activity and sentiment, they're aware and interested, and might take an action based on our content. Hootsuite's Twitter analytics show posts, followers, and engagement. Sentiment analysis can be tricky, and it can require drilling down into content to interpret it. Analytic data obtained directly from Twitter displays a more granular report. It also identifies the top posts and options to promote them. On May 5th, Alki's top post shows 5,943 impressions and 107 engagements. We saw a big drop and deduced it was the day Deliver It became disconnected from Twitter. On May 22nd, a post had 3,500 impressions and 4 engagements, but here it looks like a down day. That's why it's important to also check data in the native application. Negative sentiment should be investigated. In this case, it reflects tweets to Hootsuite regarding customer service issues. By having a greater awareness of what's happening in our community, we're able to engage with locals and respond nimbly to breaking news. The most important insight we gained through Hootsuite's dashboard was realizing that a modest increase in activity results in higher visibility and greater engagement. Alki's owner has limited bandwidth, but even with 1 post per week, each on Instagram and Facebook, it makes a huge difference. Hootsuite makes it possible to manage everything on one dashboard, from scheduling and posting to monitoring and analyzing. In combination with the built-in analytics on each platform, we can make informed decisions. Hootsuite has shown how it all fits together and has given Alki Surfshop a solid place to start an intentional effort in social media marketing.